Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today I'm going to be trying the new T3 Micro AireLuxe blow dryer, and I'm actually going to be using the diffuser today and the wide tooth comb attachment. I am going to be curling my hair. I'm going to leave my hair natural. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I actually wanted to try this ASAP because I am going to the Dominican Republic and I wanted a nice diffuser to take with me. I really like the T3 fit. It's very nice for traveling. So I might take either this one or that one. I also wanted to just share with you guys the product that I use in the shower to wash my hair and treat my hair. I use the JVN products in the shower. I use their shampoo and conditioner to wash and detangle my hair. I've been using these products for a couple months now and I actually really like them since I recently got highlights, and I dyed my hair again because thank you guys for being honest with me and telling me that the highlights didn't look that good, and I kind of agree with you. I mean, I feel like they were just getting too light over time and they were just starting to look a little bit orangey, so it just kind of wasn't my vibe. So I just dyed my hair. If you have not watched that video, I'm going to put the link so you guys can watch it. I actually tried the new IGK color hair kit, so if you guys want to see a review on that and how to use it, I'll link it down below. But yeah, my hair is kind of like back to my natural hair color kind of and I think I might leave it like this for a while. So I really wanted something that would be very hydrating to my hair. Since I also put a lot of heat on my hair, I wanted to get something that would be very hydrating. This video is not sponsored, but they did send me some products to try out, so I wanted to share them with you guys. I love these. You guys should definitely check them out. I also really like the mask. I use the mask in the shower. Oh my god, as you can see, I've used it a lot. It looks crazy, but this is the deep moisture mask, and this really does make your hair feel super hydrating. These products are silicone free, sulfate free, and color safe and vegan, so it's perfect to use whenever you dye your hair. I just dyed my hair, like I said, and I had highlights before that, so I really needed something that would be extra hydrating and that would leave my hair very healthy. So I've been loving those products. Check them out. I'm gonna link them down below. Later I'm gonna use one of their very popular products. This is the Complete Air Dry Cream. So I'm gonna use this at the end right before I dry my hair, just so that my hair can dry even quicker. This blow dryer is supposed to give you fast, frizz-free results. If you guys want me to blow out my hair with this, I can definitely do that, but now in the summer I am trying to not put too much heat on my hair. My hair gets so frizzy even if I use a straightener, even if I use products that are supposed to kind of control frizz. My hair just gets kind of frizzy anyways because it's just too humid in the summer and my hair is very curly, so I prefer to just leave it natural in the summer, and I might leave it natural in the fall and the winter too. We'll see if I don't get tempted with hair tools, because I always get tempted with new hair tools that come out. Anyways, so this is what it looks like inside. It brings all the instructions, super nice, and this actually brings two nozzle attachments. Let me just show you guys. Brings a wider one and then a more concentrated one, so these would be really nice for blowing out your hair. So the blow dryer itself is actually pretty big. This blow dryer is supposed to be very powerful and it's supposed to give you a very fast dry. It has 5 different heat settings, 3 different speeds, and it has a volume boost button so that you can get more volume. So I might try that so that I can get more volume with my curls. So here's the diffuser attachment. It's actually very big. It's a good size. It's a good size for traveling as well. So here's the diffuser. It's actually kind of small compared to the blow dryer. Like, this is kind of like the same size as the T3 Fit. The blow dryer itself is very long, very big. I don't know if this is too big for traveling now that I look at it, but we'll see how it works. I'm actually going to use this comb attachment to give the roots a bit of a lift. I'm gonna add some product to my hair. Guys, I've been really liking these products from Lush. I used them a couple years ago and I completely forgot how good these products are. These are really good for curly hair that is a little bit damaged, that needs a little bit of love, a little bit of hydration, some help. So that's why I use it. But yeah, I really like them. My hair is pretty wet, but I am going to get it a little bit more wet because it did dry a little tiny bit, because I was like doing my makeup and getting ready, and I just want my hair to be extra wet before I put my styling products. So I'm going to use the hair moisturizer. These smell amazing too, by the way. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll link these down below. Alrighty, my hair just feels so much better. So I'll do that first, and then I'll go in with the hair cream. This also smells good, but this one smells a little bit stronger, but I still like it. Guys, I'm going to DR soon, and I can't wait to film some content out there. Let me know if you guys want to see kind of like a day in my life out there, and the places that I go to, maybe go out to eat, how I do my hair and makeup out there, because it's completely different than how I do my hair and makeup here. It's very humid out there, very, very humid. So I do use different products on my hair and on my skin to make sure that my hair and skin looks fine, and makeup for the entire day. This side of my hair doesn't curl as much, but I'm trying my best to really hydrate it, and I'm even thinking about getting a small trim in DR. There's this salon that specializes in curly haircuts, so I might get a curly haircut out there. My hair grows so quickly, and I don't know, I just really want my curls to pop a little bit. I feel like I always do this in the summer. So I might get a trim in DR. Let me know if you guys want to see that as well. I will most likely post a TikTok, so if you guys want to see it, I'll put it right here. Well, I'll put my TikTok account right here. But yeah, so far my curls are starting to come back a little bit, so definitely check out the products that I will be linking down below. So I'm just wetting the top because it definitely got a little bit dry. So I'm going to do the same on the top. So now I'm going to use the Air Dry Cream from JVN, and I'm just going to add about that much to all my hair. Just kind of like the top layer, pretty much everywhere. But I'm just going to kind of use my fingers to spread it. Wow, this smells amazing. Wow, I love it. That's what your hair should sound like when you're scrunching your hair, just so that your hair can look nice and frizz-free, very defined, very moisturized. So if your hair sounds like that, that's a good sign. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to start diffusing my hair. This also has a cool shot if you guys are interested in using that. The cool shots are very nice to use when you want to like set a curl, or if you want to just set your hair. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put in the highest heat setting and the highest speed, and I'm going to use the volume feature as well. So cool. You just click it, and then it goes up. Just to see how long it takes me to dry all my hair. So I start my timer, and I first like to dry it like this, and then once it's mostly dry, I'll go in at the ends and shake things up a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back. It only took me 16 minutes to dry all my hair. Like, that is so quick for me. It'll take me at least like 25 minutes to dry all my hair. So I really liked this blow dryer. I love how powerful it is. It definitely is a lot more powerful than the T3 Fit. So I will be taking this with me to DR because this blow dryer is really, really good. I really liked it. I love the diffuser attachment because it's like a little bit small, so it's more concentrated. It gives you a more concentrated dry so you don't get a lot of frizz. So yeah, here's my curls. What do you guys think? I absolutely love how they look. I love that they have no frizz, and I actually really, really like this cream. This probably made my hair dry a lot quicker as well. So if you guys want to grab this, I'll link it down below. But I am not done. I'm going to do one last step that I've been doing lately. Also, even with my DYSON Supersonic, I do this. I use the white tooth comb attachment. I love that you can get the white tooth comb attachment with this as well. I'll link it down below. You do have to buy these two attachments separately, but I think they're only like 30-20 bucks each. So it's something to consider. I really do like using the white tooth comb attachment when drying my hair. It gives me so much volume at the root. I haven't tried this one yet, but the Dyson one is really good. I wish that the attachments were a little bit easier to put on. There you go. Got it. So I'm just gonna get in there, especially like right here. Just gonna get in there and dry it and kind of like lift the roots a little bit. So let's do that right now. I'm gonna turn it on. Wow, that's hot. Look how much volume I got already. And I'm just quickly using this, just like at the root. I also like to go like this and feel. Wow, it's hot. Wow, look at that volume. Wow, guys, the amount of volume that I was able to get at the root with this attachment, like, it's very, very nice. It actually compares a little bit to the Dyson Supersonic one. Here it is, so you guys can see. The Dyson is a little bit wider, but this one works super well as well. So, yeah, there's a side-by-side size comparison, but I'm also going to compare the Dyson Supersonic Diffuser to the T3 AireLuxe. About the same size. Oh my god, it's like literally like the same size. You guys see that? But the Dyson is a lot smaller, so it's like maybe more comfortable to travel with. But you can't use this in Europe, and you can use this one in Europe and other countries, but you can use this in DR. I don't want to take this with me though, because this is kind of expensive. I'm scared to lose it. And I like taking my T3 micro hair tools with me when I travel because they're good. They work super well. They dry my hair very quickly, and they're not too expensive. So if I do lose them, if something happens, you know, at least I didn't like waste a whole $400–500. At least this is maybe under 200 bucks. It's definitely a lot more affordable, but it still works so well. But what do you guys think? I love the final look. I actually really enjoyed using all the products that I used today to define my curls. My curls look super defined and moisturized and shiny, and it does not look frizzy. Also, check out the JVN products. They are amazing, super moisturizing. I've been using them for a couple of months now, like I said, and I noticed that my hair is very, very moisturized. It looks a lot healthier, and this mask is intense. I really, really like it. I also enjoyed using the Lush products if you guys want to check them out. So yeah, I'll link all the products below. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Please subscribe if you're enjoying my YouTube channel so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye-bye.